Hey guys, it's your boy Wallace. We're going to be talking about getting your recruiting and staffing agency off the ground. If you don't know me by now, I am the Nomad Recruiter. I travel the world and make places for a living, and I've helped a lot of people scale their agencies to 6 or 7 figures. I have real names, real reviews, and you can check out some of my testimonials on my website, nomadrecruiters.com. If you're looking to get your agency started today, make sure you book a call with me. I can't wait to talk to you soon. So we're going to talk about get your recruiting agency off the ground. I want to talk to you about, all right, when you start in your profile on LinkedIn, you want to have your LinkedIn profile and you also want to have a company page. You want to set up shop to make your business look professional. Please get a Fiverr designer, or someone on Fiverr, like a designer that's only $5-10 to get you a proper logo. Do not go to Canva and just do something so basic and generic, especially when you're trying to ask clients to pay you 20, 30, $40,000 for some of the recruiting roles that you may be working on. Branding is important, and you want to brand yourself as a recruiter. Speaking about branding yourself as a recruiter, a lot of people sometimes don't even know that you recruit if you're not marketing yourself as a recruiter online. So you may want to be calling yourself like a technical recruiter or a recruitment consultant, if you are starting your agency and trying to get it off the ground. You want to be posting daily as well. You should be posting jobs, you should be posting articles, you should be engaging with a lot of people in your space and within your niche so you can build a community and let people know who you are as you try to attract more clients and more candidates to your profile. It's extremely important that you master the art of using LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is like, if for recruiters, that's our TikTok, that's our Facebook, that's our Twitter. We put LinkedIn at the top of the list, and that's where we're most likely more active at the end of the day, because that's one of our bread and butter locations. So, going back into getting your recruitment agency off the ground, you're gonna have to get a website. Now, you don't need to put thousands of dollars into this website, but the website is there for credibility and to show that you're a legitimate business. And what do you specialize in? It's the website showing your niche. If you're specializing in healthcare, cybersecurity, cannabis, solar, geospatial, does your website match the niche that you're specializing in? And does your website look like a recruitment website as well? Sometimes clients get confused because so many recruiting agencies look like consulting companies when you do consult technically, but it doesn't really show your services. Does it show that you offer staffing, recruiting, EOR, so many things, guys, that, and I'm educating you guys on some of these recruitment slangs and glossary words, and at the end of the day, but does your website show these things when clients are looking at them? It's extremely important that you master that, because when a client comes to your profile, they should be able to identify who you are, what your niche is, and how you can help their business grow and scale at the end of the day as a recruiting and staffing services. So branding is going to be extremely important as you're trying to get your agency off the ground. If you don't like being the face of the company, that's understandable. You can use a partner, a family member, or go in partnership with someone, with a colleague at the end of the day. Some people ask me, well, AJ, what if I work a 9 to 5? Can I still start my agency and have my job at the same time? Of course, you can do that at the end of the day, but you want to make sure that you have no non-compete clauses. And if you don't want your job to know, of course, you can always block the most important people at your company if you don't want them to view your profile or your second LinkedIn profile as well. And most importantly, you can always have someone as the face of the company if you don't want to be the face of the business. Listen, if you like this video, I need you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video as well, comment below to let me know what other videos you want to see like this. And if you're trying to get your agency off the ground, book a call with me today. I can't wait to talk to you soon. Thanks again.